Hi, welcome back to Shums Adventures. We're here today at Tomaree Headland, which is in Port Stephens. We're going to walk up the mountain. We're going to take a walk. Rodney's got me up nice and early, so we're going to go see what we can see up there. Let's go. Little board that tells you things that you can do around this area. Okay, now this is the mountain that Rodney wants me to walk up. Let's see if I can make it. So of course there was two tracks to take, an easy one and a hard one. And what does Rodney pick? The hardest one.
Yep. Keep walking.
Not even halfway up and there's a nice view already. My type of walk, a bench halfway up. Oh. I think I might take a 5-minute rest. So this was the path that we were supposed to come up, the easy way, but we took that path there through the rocky way. So we've come to here, 560 meters to go. Let's go have a look. So to get all the way up to the top is closed, so we can't get all the way up to the top, so we'll have to come back another time to do that. They're redoing the stairs. Okay, so that doesn't look too good. Danger cliff. Alright, we're up here. It's as far as we can go, I think. So we can't get up to the summit because it's closed. So let's hear what it was. What's it say?
Fort Tomaree.
1942 to 1945. Oh, there you go. So that's where they had the placement of the gun. There you go. There's another one here too. These are the signs. The trees are in the way, but this is Danger Cliff. At least we have water view walking down. Where do you think it is?
Jimmy's Beach.
Across the other side. Come up to Nelson Bay Head Reserve. I'll show you around here as well. So that's the mountain that we were at before. On that side there, Shell Bay. And up here there's the little coffee shop as well.
And they have a bike that you can ride. It has a blind attached to the trail, and you actually crush up the actual it makes it.
Control room. An old-fashioned phone. How cool is that? There's the light room. If you like watching this video, please like, subscribe and ring that bell, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.